Let's see how to build a bandpass filter. Okay, there are 6 steps. The first is load a waveform. After loading, we should set the band of the frequency. This is very necessary to bandpass the filter. Next, we should create several passband based mail. This is the initial set. Then we should define a harming window. After we have a harming window, it's time to build pass filters. Let's show it. This is the equation of the band filter. This is the image of the filter. The first row is width along the top. The second row is the width of the in the frequency dome. It's so perfect. Then we can compute the result waveform after bandpass filtering. The first image is the signal after filtering. This is the 3 bandpass filters. And this is the original signal. We can see some importances. Here's the high frequency ranger. Here is large part of low frequency dome. Okay, thank you for your attention.